Society has lied to you. It has told you that the only way to make $5,000 a month is to suffer, to trade your time for money, to grind until you burn out. But while you are working hard, a new class of entrepreneur is working smart. They are what I call the lazy millionaires. Now, let's be clear. By lazy, I don't mean they do nothing. I mean they refuse to do low-value labor. They understand that in the age of AI, hard work is not a feature, it is a bug. They don't do the work, they build the systems that do the work for them. Today, I am going to break down 3 specific business models that leverage AI to separate your income from your time. Hustle number 1 is the infinite media empire. In the past, running a media company meant hiring a staff. Today, you can build a faceless media brand alone. The model is simple. You pick a high-value niche like finance, psychology, or history. You use AI like ChatGPT for deep research. You use 11 Labs for voiceovers. You use Midjourney for visuals. But here is where most people fail. They try to be everything to everyone. To win, you must be specific. Don't make a channel about health. Make a channel about mental clarity for overworked dads. Your goal isn't just to upload videos. It is to create digital assets. Once a video is live, it becomes a digital employee that works for you 24 hours a day, earning ad revenue while you sleep. Hustle number 2 is the digital architect. People are drowning in complexity. They don't want more information, they want a system. In the old world, you sold physical products. In the AI world, you sell clarity. This involves using AI to build templates and digital tools. You can use Claude to write a complex Notion system for project management, or use ChatGPT to code a specific calculator widget, or use AI design tools to create social media asset packs. This is not passive immediately. It requires front-loaded effort. You build the product once and you build it perfectly. But once it is listed on a marketplace like Gumroad, the cost of replication is 0. Every download is 100% profit. Your first step? Don't guess. Go to Gumroad, look at the best-selling tech category, see what problems people are already paying to solve, and build a better version. And finally, hustle number 3, the most powerful one of all, the AI service agency. Right now, millions of small businesses are terrified of AI. They know they need to automate, but they don't know how. They are drowning in inefficiency. This is your opportunity. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to be a connector. You can set up an agency that offers workflow automation. You use tools like Zapier to connect their email to their CRM or automate their lead follow-up. You aren't selling them AI, you're selling them time. You charge a monthly retainer to keep their systems running. Your first step isn't to build a fancy website, it is to find one local business owner, ask them what repetitive task they hate the most, and offer to automate it for free. Once you prove the value, you have a client for life. The media empire, the digital architect, the service agency. Notice the pattern? None of these require you to be a genius. They only require you to stop thinking like a laborer and start thinking like an architect. The hard work era is ending. The smart work era has begun. The tools are right in front of you. The only question is, will you pick them up? If you're ready to stop trading time for money and start building systems, subscribe to ORYVON AI for your weekly strategy.